everybody to another episode of Renegade's Garage. In this episode, we're working on this. We're working on my 2017 Nissan Frontier, also known as the Rennie Runner. This episode, I picked up a set of Billie bars for it. I'm going to put my rooftop tent on the bed. So, in this video, we're going to open up the box, see what it comes with, and I'll show you guys the install process. So, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so right here is the box. Go ahead and put this in time lapse. Let me open this box up and we'll see what all this kit comes with. Okay, I got everything out of the box. Just kind of neat. They actually signed the box saying thanks for choosing Billie bars. And it's marked with the BB team on it. That's kind of neat. Shows that each box is personally boxed, and they actually take the time to actually show their support. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so here's what comes in the box. You got your two rails, which have nice slots in them for mounting extra things onto. Then you got your 4 bars, and then you got a QR code. So it'll take you to their install, which I'm pretty confident I can figure out. And then all your hardware. So some of these are going to be your two knobs go on the track, because that's exactly what I'm using for my road pack mounts. And your hardware give you a Torx bit. It looks like yeah, so it's torque. The Torx holds the rails in. And then for my bed cover, I need a 10 mil to loosen up these straps. Then is a 9/16 for my mount to my road packs. So let me remove the road packs, loosen up the topper, and we'll start getting this put in. Okay, now we're down to the last bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and how I do this video. I'll show you guys this first, then I'll do the time lapse of me installing all the others. But for me, I wanted to do all the others first, so I can kind of have a system figured out for you guys. But so with the kit, you have I forget what I call it, but where I conduit and stuff. You stick it in and turn, but how I figured out how to do it is I went ahead, you take your nut bolt washer, go ahead and stick it through and screw it in to that tie on the other side. And then, how I end up did it, because it has springs on it, you're going to have to kind of work with it. Push it in. Then you to stick an ice, where you just stick a finger behind it, kind of help get it to turn. Stick the other one in here and there, turn it. And once they're, you gotta make sure they're parallel, up and down. Move it to where you want it, where I have the other side moved all the way over here, which this is the part that comes a bit on the tedious side, is getting this thing to rotate. There we go. Now I have it lined up to where it was on the other side. Go ahead and take your 9/16 and just tighten them down. Again, with my system, I have the factory Nissan utility rail system. That's what I wanted. I wanted everything just to bolt in, or just bolt in. Don't have to drill no holes or anything. And I don't particularly like clamping onto the bed railing more than I have to. It's like my bed cover. You can tell I had to loosen the brackets up and I'll slide these brackets underneath of it. So I just had everything, or is it tied into the factory utility rail system. And then you just go through, get everything nice and snug. And I got everything where I want. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten my topper mount back down. I'm gonna suggest, I'll show this in a minute, but there's a gap here now from how high these are up. It may come down, it may get better as this wear strip right here squishes down, or you may want to just get another piece going underneath there. But I'll show you guys that here in a minute better. Then you put these sides in, just take the Torx bit that has the safety threads on it, or a safety puck in it, security bit. There we go, security bit. And you just stick them in the ends here. Get them threaded in, just tighten them up. And we'll go do the other side. Okay, here's the bars installed. And they look pretty good. But before the Florida rain kicks in, I'm gonna go move the Jeep, back this up closer to the overland trailer over there. I'll pull the tent off of it, put it on here, and show you guys the final product. So here's the final product. Got the rooftop tent installed. Got the Billie bars installed. It's getting ready to downpour. Give video update in a couple days of it actually opened up and how it looks. But I think it looks pretty good. Got my truck on its 2.5-inch lift on a Patagonia 31.5 tires. I think it looks pretty good. So there was the install. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna run inside before I get poured on, 'cause I just saw lightning over there. Make sure you guys stay tuned for updated videos of camping with the tent on the trailer here, make sure you guys go check out Kingdom Off-Road. Go put in coupon code Renegade25 for 25% off on your next order. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to work on your projects, stay humble, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.